All right. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to install your WordPress website. So I'm going to click on WordPress Manager. You can see over here. You can see. Now, before I do that, I just want to show you that our site is completely empty. So I'm going to do this. You can see that our site is completely empty. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on install. Then I'm going to scroll down. To remove this. Then I'm just going to leave these admin pass. Then you can see here that there are plugins which you can select from. This only comes with the gym hosting platform. Yes, gym hosting platform. It's available. So you can include these plugins to what you want to do, which is very much important. SEO, that drag and drop, backup, file manager, and the rest. So what you're just going to do right now is you fill in your name, fill in the site descriptions. You can do this from your admin dashboard once you log in. Please make sure your admin username is something that only you know how to use. The password, make sure you change the password that is given to you over here. Now make sure that you're using the latest WordPress version. Make sure that you're using the right domain name. And then you can see here that SSL is installed. Free SSL certificate has been installed. So all I just have to do now is to click on install. So all I just have to do now is also just wait till it shows this. And once I click on this, you can see that this is my WordPress website, just like I said. So I'm going to come back to this. I'm going to click on WP admin. As you can see, my WordPress website has been installed successfully. You can see over here. So I always do this because I don't like what it came with. This is just something to make sure that, okay, your website looks good. But I make sure that I delete each and every one of it. Every time I make sure I delete each and every one of it. Then I come over to this place. I delete, apply, okay. Then I come over to settings. You can see here, you can change your site title over here. Can also change this. Then site icon, this is what you see here. This up stuff, this logo you can see here. This is the site icon. So you can upload your logo. Here it's going to have this icon, something like this. This is a logo, but this is the icon of it. Then I'm gonna click on just switching this to Sunday. Then I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna click on permalinks. Make sure your permalinks is on post name and then click save changes. So you can see a post name, then appearance. So all I just have to do now is just delete. You can see delete. And then I can add new theme. I can install. I'm installing Astra. Basically, is tell you that it's working perfectly fine. So this is basically how it works, how to install WordPress on your website. So this is how to install WordPress on your website. So next video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your WordPress websites, how to delete your WordPress website. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to also share with your friends. Drop a comment and tell me what type of video you like me to create next.